Cabos is an amazing school full of authentic love and joy, and I've had the honor of watching them and working with them on really inculcating project-based learning into their campus since 2017. And being part of their transition, but really watching their transition has been an amazing one, full of support, engagement, community engagement, family engagement, and student engagement. Their project process is grounded in supporting teachers to really gain the knowledge, skills, and dispositions for what it means to honor student-centered work while balancing the content of learning and ministry requirements and the way that they do things and still meeting those requirements. So content at Cabos is still important, and so is context. And the project-based learning here does not abandon content to do projects. And the evolution of student authentic work has come so far. The evolution of parent engagement and support has come so far that project-based learning is really part of the fabric of what Cabos does on a daily basis. You walk around and students are engaged. They're committed to making the world a better place. Empathy and social emotional learning are embedded into their projects. Are their teachers all the way perfect in every area? No, because Cabos has established itself as a learning environment, a never-ending learning environment. And so the teachers here are continuously involved in professional growth opportunities. Cabos still continues to seek out the best and the brightest student project-based learning experts, as well as project-based learning experts from around the world. And they're constantly providing a variation of supports to ensure that they've created a school that's in alignment with their values and what they stand for.